Hello, and welcome to the Analystix Beta Calculator tutorial. In this tutorial, I will show you how to use the Beta Calculator, which is part of the Cost of Capital Calculator Excel add-in. You will learn how to calculate the beta of the company using 3 different methods. To open the Beta Calculator, click on the Beta Calculator button in the Cost of Capital window. You can see the Beta Calculator window is divided into 2 sections: Stock Market Beta Calculation and Industry Beta Calculation. Let's start with the first method, using the returns of the company's stock and the whole stock market to calculate the regression beta. Click on the first field, Stock Return Range, and select a range which includes the stock prices or returns of the company shares. The range must include only one row or column. Now return to the Beta Calculator window, and you will see that the range you selected appears in the field. Repeat this process for a range of market returns or prices. Make sure you're using the same quantity of samples for both ranges. Now click on the Calculate Beta, and you will see the input type, beta, and R². Make sure that the input type corresponds with the actual input type, prices or returns. If you want to use this beta in the cost of capital calculation, click on the Export Beta to Cost of Capital Calculator button in this section. The second method to calculate the beta is to use the unlevered industry beta and lever it by using the leverage of the company. For this, input the industry unlevered beta, company tax rate, and company equity to capital ratio in the appropriate fields. Then, click on the Calculate Beta button, and you will see the calculated beta. If you want to use this beta in the cost of capital calculation, click on the Export Beta to Cost of Capital Calculator button in this section. The third method is to calculate the industry unlevered beta by using peer company data. Input the name, beta, tax rate, and equity to capital ratio of a peer company, and click on the Add to List button. You will see the company added to the list, including the unlevered beta calculation. Add as many companies as you'd like. You can delete a company from the list by selecting it and clicking on the Delete from List button. Note that under the company list you can see the average and median unlevered betas of the companies in the list. Those 2 numbers are updated as you add or delete companies. If you want to use one of these as the industry beta, click on the Use button beneath it, and it will be pasted to the Industry Unlevered Beta field. You also have the option to export the list you created to a spreadsheet. To do so, click on the Output Cell field and select a cell on the spreadsheet. Return to the Beta Calculator window. The cell you've selected will appear in the text field. Click on the Export Company List to Sheet button, and the list will be pasted on the spreadsheet, beginning with the cell you've selected. This has been the Beta Calculator tutorial. Thank you for watching. For more information, visit the Analystix website.